Every 2 seconds, someone in the U.S. needs blood. Dr. Pampee Young, Chief Medical Officer of Biomedical Services of the American Red Cross, joins us to share how we can all help to restore the nation's blood supply, which has fallen to critical levels. Thanks for being here.
It's at an unprecedented crisis level. We are facing a number of challenges. On the one hand, as folks try to resume some normalcy after a very difficult period of a pandemic, they are visiting family, traveling, and so we're seeing fewer donors come in. And on the other hand, there is an unprecedented increase in demand for blood. People are trying to schedule their surgeries that they may have put off during the pandemic. They're also coming in a little bit sicker because of the postponement and requiring more blood. Our donors can go to redcrossblood.org or download our app. And you can go there and directly schedule something. You can put in your zip code and get a list of the nearest sites to you and digitally schedule a donation. I think donors can also help by spreading the word to their friends and family and communicate to others the dire need for blood and encourage everyone to schedule a donation.